We're going to plot out the G minor scale today, and if you recall, I hope you recall, the formula for the minor scale is whole half, whole, whole half, whole, whole, and the minor scale has a flat 3, a flat 6, and a flat 7. So let's do this. G minor starts on the G. Whole step to A, half step to B flat, whole step to C, whole step to D, half step to E flat, whole step to F, and a whole step up to G. That is your G minor scale. You have two flats here, B flat and E flat. And the G minor scale is the relative minor of the 1, 2, 3, the B flat major scale. So remember that the relative minor, or the relative major, in this case B flat, is the relative major of G minor, and that means they both have the same notes, they both have the same chords. However, the G minor scale revolves around the tonality G, and the B flat major scale revolves around the tonality of B flat. So that is your G minor scale. And I will see you tomorrow for more music theory fun.